Hey guys, David Miller here with Gemini BIM. In today's video, I would like to share with you a Dynamo graph to center view titles on viewports. Let's go ahead and navigate to www.geminibim.com and download the graph. I will walk you through the steps to prepare the graph and to use the graph. Here from our home page, navigate to the Dynamo page and select the Center View Titles button. This will download a zip file with the graph and a PDF set of instructions. Once downloaded, unzip the file. Please read the included PDF directions, as it illustrates step by step how to use the graph. Here in Revit, I have a sample project comprising of a series of sheets that include some floor plans, elevations, and a 3D view. Each view type has a specific viewport title type for it. It is common for firms to have a standard where the view title is centered on the viewport and the title extension line is the same length as the text. Prior to Revit 2022, this was mostly accomplished by manual efforts, but now we are able to control this programmatically. Let's open up Dynamo and prepare the graph. When opening the graph, you may be presented with this warning. Some of the custom nodes being used in the graph have not been updated to use the new Python 3 syntax. Referring to the PDF instructions, it indicates that we need to make changes to two areas. First, the directions tell us to find the view titles area. Here you will need to add your company's specific view title types. Only include the types you would like the graph to center. Do not include view title types that do not show a title. Next, we need to refer to the view title distance section. We need to add the distance from the origin to the left extents of the view title in decimal inches. Once all information has been confirmed and entered, we can save and close the graph. Now back in the project, we can open up Dynamo Player to run the graph. When the graph is executed, a user form will be brought up. Here, we can select the sheets in which we would like to click the viewports and center the view titles. Next, specify if you would like to compute the title locations without annotations. If selected, the center of the view title will be calculated without considering annotations such as grids or levels. Finally, specify the Z distance value. This is in relation to the bottom extents of the calculated viewport boundary. A negative value will place the view title below the calculated bottom extents, whereas a positive value will place it above. Once all information is entered, we can select Set Values to execute the graph. You can see that the view title has been moved to the center of the viewport and below the bottom viewport's extents based on the value we specified. As we look at the other views, you will also notice that the view title extents line matches the length of the text in the title.